Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Etsy, and this is the place that I went right here. And I always blame Gracie. Hi Gracie, Gracie21. Saying whenever she do a haul, I try not to go look, and then when I go look, I end up buying something. And so I was homesick. I was like, hey, might as well go online. They gave me these two sticker sets as giveaways. I mean, as goodies for purchasing from them. They always give you something for purchasing from them. And I think I spent less than $50, and they had a 10% off code as well. But if you spend up $100, then you get free shipping. But I spent less than $50. So anyway, I'll just show you real quick what I got. Just a few odds and end things. And thank you guys so much who made comments about me being sick. And I'm better. And I don't know which order the rotation of these videos will be up. But still, you know, got a cold, but I can feel a lot better. I have my moments though. But anyway, so this was, I think these dies were like $3.99, and they're spare binders. And this is the flowers and stem. 3-piece is S1028 is the little spell binders code number. So that's what that looks like, a 3-piece set. And I had to open them. I always like to open them and check the size. It's only 2. Wait a minute. That's on. Oh, it's getting to say it's only 2. That's the 3rd piece. That tiny. It was stuck in the groove. I didn't realize that pieces are tiny. But anyway. Oops. So that gives you like a little centerpiece, but it also has the embossed with the stamen right there. So that's that set right there. And then the next one that I got is Smile. And this one is S1008. It's a 2-piece set. The camera in the word Smile. I gotta double check this. For some reason, all of a sudden I just was thinking I had this one, but I don't think I do. I don't remember. This one's just for you, and it's S1021. Again, like I said, these are all $3.99. So it's a leaf and a clover, and this one says just for you, so you can see the sizes. And this one was called Beaded Square, and it's S1009. Excuse me. So it's 4-leaf clover, and these two nestle nicely for layering. Excuse me. I hope I got some water in here, and I don't think I do. And of course, my throat will get tickled the moment that I'm on this video, so I'm gonna hold on. I'll be right back. So about that, I am back. I hadn't had a coughing spell in a while, so I said, "Oh, let me do a video." And of course, in the middle of it, I would start talking. This one is the Awesome Dad. I got this one because I got the Awesome Mom one at the from Tuesday mornings on the Spellbinders sale. And I figured I might as well get the set. This is S4501. Excuse me, S4519. And this was $4.99, so the same price as the one in Tuesday morning. Excuse me. This is a card grater set. So with these, you have a 2-piece die set. You can cut this into the card, or you can cut it out and make it a panel to add to a card. Excuse me. You can also emboss and color through different pieces. And so that's the A2 size card one. 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. If you know about A2 cards, that's the size of a half a piece of paper. 8 1/2, 11 piece of paper. Gosh, my throat's itchy. I got this one because I have the other set. This is on clearance. I think it was $2.99. Something. It was cheap. $2. Excuse me. This is Crafted Workshop. Dies 4x6, and I got the other ones from Tuesday morning on clearance. And these are good for Project Life cards, to make some Project Life. So I was thinking about using Well, I scraps of other paper to make some of those. I got this one because I have most of the other ones, not all of them, but quite a few of them. So this one was prayers and all the different sentiments that go along with it in the word die by Hero Arts. And this one was enjoy. And I don't think I had these two, but if I do, they'd be gifted. And then this one I had one for a while. This is the one with the skirt and the little girl. So I thought that was a cute set that you can stamp and then make a pleated dimensional skirt, and has your different little faces that you can put on as two little different girl faces. I think this was $2.99 or $3.99. And this is a 10-piece word set, and this was I think it was called planner or something. Today, status, reminder, to do, event, important, love, this, and note. And they're small little sentiments that you can add to tags, 3x3s, embellishments as well, and of course your planner. And then I got this one for $3.99 as well, and this one says cute and woof, and you got your dogs up here. For some reason I thought it was a cat up there too, I don't know why. So that is my haul, and thank you guys for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.